everybody, Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Thanks for joining me. Welcome. So today's painting, I'm using a new for you. I've used it a couple times, as you can see. It's like an orchid shape. I got this as a gift. And we're not going to use all the chambers, but there's different chambers, and it's like the open cup. I have, as you can see, been playing around with it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm also going to just use 3 colors, primary colors, red, yellow, blue. So we'll see how that turns out. Wanted to keep it simple. And before we get painting and down to the table, I wanted to mention that May 1st, the library is having a book sale, 10 to 2. All kinds of books, fiction, nonfiction, children's, adult, but also I'm going to be there. Yay! I'm going to be selling some of the artwork, some of the work from some of the previous videos. So not all the work will be from videos, and not all the videos will be for sale. But yeah, so I'm going to be selling some paintings. All the money goes right back to the library. None of it's coming in my pocket. And all that money is going to go towards some of the extras, like some of the fun programs that we have, and maybe some museum pass discounts and that type. So, so I hope I see you there Saturday, May 1st, 10 to 2. All right, so let's get to the table. Hi, everybody. Okay, so I've already flooded the canvas. I'm excited because I splurged and got an expensive canvas. It's like 1.5 inches on the side, so I want this to come out good since I spent so much money on the canvas. And here's my new little toy. So, and I'm going to use primary colors, red, yellow, blue, and we'll see what happens. I also have, this white thing has satin enamel in it, so I'm hoping it'll do something. This is the base coat does not have satin enamel in it. So where do I want to start? I think I'm gonna just kind of, so I'm gonna put a puddle of the satin enamel, and I can hear the dog outside, so. And then I'm going to put a puddle of the gold. So the thoughts are, there'll be a reaction. Alright, so I'm only going to use 3 of these compartments. So I think I want these 3. And I guess I'll do it there. Okay, so I've got I'm gonna do them halfway, fill it up halfway, and then Then I'm going to put some more of this, not a lot, of to get 2 cups. Yellow. Here. There's a lot there. Let's just see how this works, and then I'll adjust. Okay, so wait for the door. I think that might be enough paint. There's a bare spot right there, but we're going to stretch it out. So now I'm going to start stretching. I'm going to stretch slow. All the corners. Here. think I'm gonna stop. I'm pleased with it. All right, so I'm gonna show this to you when it's dry. And that's good. All right, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Peace, everybody. All right, here's the painting dried, and it dried extremely well. And I have to say, I think this is my favorite painting. So it just shows you keeping things a little simple with colors. You can get something really beautiful. I think it looks like a rainbow, the beginnings of a rainbow, and I'll just get a little closer. So some of the gold cells, and we've got different colored cells. We got green from the yellow and blue mixing. So this, I think I can say, is so far my favorite painting. I'm going to varnish it. So here's the thing with varnishing. So you should wait 3 weeks after doing a painting before you varnish or resin something. Even though it's dry to the touch, there is some moisture in there. So you don't want to mess up a painting by not waiting. You can wait 3 weeks. So I'm probably going to varnish this, which will make some of the gold stand out. But there it is, dried. And thanks for joining me. I hope to see you next time. And don't forget the book sale, May 1st, 10 to 2. Hope to see you there, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.